What's up? My name is Caela, and today we are going to be learning signs for happy birthday. So the first sign is party. Party. It's upside down P's, which are K's in sign language, and it's kind of above your shoulder and head area. Party. Then the second sign is born. Born. So this is your non-dominant hand, and your dominant hand is the one moving under. Born. And the third one is happy birthday, which is happy. Sometimes I've seen just one hand. So happy, and then birthday is from the chin to the chest. Birthday. Happy birthday, and then month. Month. And yeah, those are the signs for birthday signs.